And now let's meet the starters first for the Judiciary Justice Servers. Middle blocker number 11, Arnie Pesebre. Middle blocker number 6, Lerma Tubog. Outside hitter number 2, Aleli Boras. Outside hitter number 5, Jam Angeles. Setter number 10, Dada Yuboko. Opposite spiker number 17, Kat Dolorosa. And libero number 9, Sheena Castillo. Head coach of the Justice Servers is Mr. Arnaldo Dino. And now introducing the starting lineup of the PNP Lady Patrollers. Team captain and setter number 3, Patrol Woman Tin Bangkola. Middle blocker number 5, Patrol Woman Chris Etucas. Middle blocker number 7, Police Corporal Ces Oliveros. Opposite spiker number 9, Police Corporal Caressa Vicente. Opposite hitter number 13, Patrol Woman Kia Gomez. Opposite spiker number 15, Patrol Woman Malu Padilla. And libero number 2, Patrol Woman Rexa Limsiaco. Head coach of the Lady Patrollers is Police Master Sergeant Rod Pinalba. UVL fans, let's get ready to serve, spike, and set. This is the UNTV Volleyball League Win in Sports and Win for Charity.
Ito na ang lineup ng dalawang koponan na Pesebre, Tubog, Moras, Angeles, Yuboko, Dolorosa, and Sheena Castillo starting libero for Judiciary. Sa kabila naman for PNP, it's Bangkola, Etucas, Oliveros, Vicente, Gomez, Padilla, and Limsiaco. Para naman sa Lady Patrollers. Our third and final game dito po sa Paco Arena. Bumabati kami ni Andre Mulyacanda ng magandang hapon po sa inyo. Chicky Reyes here together with our complete team. We got, of course, Dana de Guzman at courtside, Tiffany Fran at, as our Coliseum announcer, and Miss Rina Camara as our game correspondent. Here we go! Malaman sinong unang pupuntos at ang PNP already on the board dahil sa depensa.
Good steady start ang kanilang server ay si Bangkola. She is one of the steady setters, playmakers that we have here in the UVL.
Mari's diving on the floor. If it's an indication of a good game, naku. Kasi may sense of urgency on the side of Judiciary. Dito naman sa PNP, ayaw pa iiwan, gustong sumama sa mga liderato sa itaas. Tabla tayo, 1-1, set number 1. Mabalik lang yan sa PNP. Ito na ang Lady Patrollers. Another free ball here. And it goes out in favor of Judiciary.
Padilla already at the right side of the net. So talagang manipis, maliit lang yung kanyang window to keep the ball in.
Padilla, that was low, below the tape.
Bit of a struggle here for PNP. Medyo malamig pa siguro yung umpisa, hindi pa nag-iinit ng masyado.
Aleli with a good serve. Labanan sa net. Uy, may nahuli. Ano yun?
Yan ang nakita natin. Usually, if the ball is close to the net and isa-set pa lang ng setter yan, inabot na, didn't give the chance for the setter set the ball. So overreaching ang tinawag kay Pesebre.
Service ace coming from Gomez. Tabla tayo sa 3. To the delight of the other Lady Patrollers. Good serve there by Gomez. Setup job. Ginamit ang kaliwa ni Vicente but it backfired.
Seems seems like yung mga target ng ating mga attackers, no? Palaging nasa sideline.
Now, looking at the title of our Lady Patrollers, nakaka-proud. Oh. May patrol woman,
Oo.
merong police corporal, staff sergeant. These are legit. Red shirts on the attack. They are down by a point. Palong malakas. Punta sa likod. Walang check ball. That would be for the Justice Servers.
After an air, maririnig mo yung ano, no, maririnig at makikita mo yung pagtingin sa bench. Bawi ako, coach.
Always yan, ano?
Always yan.
5 serving 3. Ito na ang Justice Servers. Balik sa Lady Patrollers. They're trying to activate Vicente here. Not that time for Malu. And the dive didn't work for Lim Kako. Or Lim Siako, I stand corrected. Tatlo na ang abante ng Judiciary. Kung ikaw ang PNP, ayaw mong maheli ka dito, no?
Ayaw mo. Tsaka, pero for Judiciary naman, ito yung pace na gusto mong makontinue. Gusto mo ikaw yung mauuna, ikaw yung hindi naghahabol.
At kung hindi pa nasisindihan yung kabila, take advantage lang. 6-4. Chance for PNP to cut that lead down to 1 if they score. Wala. May bantay sa likod. Ooh, nagkabuhol ang mga paa.
But right now, Bangkola holding on to her foot. But okay. Mukhang pinapadjak niya.
Ipinagpag lang, ano?
Oo. But yun, si Bangkola also reminding her teammates, ano yung kanilang pwestuhan. Kasi if they overlap, nagkakaapakan, magkakagulo sila, no?
Binawi agad ni Tin yon, setting up Malu. But they're still down by 2 points. That's a hard set. Yung pag-set mo sabay PP hit ka.
Good serve.
All the way from the back. That was Arnie. Meantime, Vicente. Siya rin, punta ng likod and it sails out.
And the thing with her attack, kasi nasa ilalim siya, no? She's having a difficult time na yung kanyang angulo pababa.
Ito, walang difficult time in getting reports. Balita dyan, Dana.
Chiki and Ann, kung makikita nyo na merong benda sa kamay itong si Arnie Pesebre, ito ay sa kadahilanan na bigla na lang namaga ang kanyang right arm. Ito ay bigla na lang daw sumakit after nilang mag-service receive. But as a fighter that she is, Arnie Pesebre will continue to play as their starter for Judiciary. Back to our pan.
Oo nga, no? That right forearm is heavily bandaged.
The challenge here is that she is a right-handed attacker.
Oo nga.
No, and of course that would affect din, no, kung may konting sakit yan at namamaga. Hindi lang yung kanyang passing but also her offense.
I think right now she's banking on adrenaline. Pero baka mamaya makakaramdam after the game for sure makakaramdam ng kirot yan. 8-6. Make that 8-7. Dahil naibaba sa isang deficit na lang ni Chris. Kanilang hinahabol dito.
And look at this back set. Great execution and timing.
7 serving 8. Salas with a good read there. One more time for the Justice Servers. That time around, hindi nabasa ni Salas yun.
Gandang palobo ang balik. Was right there. The end line.
Back to a 2-point lead for Judiciary, 9-7. Gomez had the right idea, waiting for that ball to bounce back. Pero hindi nangyari yun. 10 serving 7. Ganda ng serve. Kita mo na eh. Loaded.
Oh, so much power.
Dada Yuboko sending that one home. Ronquillo comes in. Napo muna si Caressa. Ganun pa rin, ano? Pero nasa low. A bright move. Coming from Tin. Lead is down to 3.
Bangkola, such great court sense.
8 serving 11. And again, starts with a good first ball. Good set. No problem there para kay Carol. Wala doon kay Lerma. Stand corrected.
Lerma with 2 points so far.
Set up ni Tin. Yuboko. Back to the red and white. Gomez. Good floor defense by the PNP. Pesebre says, that's mine.
Walang sakit-sakit ng arm para kay Pesebre.
Bukas na yan.
Bukas na to. Bukas na yung sakit. Bukas ka na.
Hindi kasi survival mode na sila dito.
Oo, diba? Dito, ano muna. And you're right, ano? This is adrenaline. Mamaya siguro mararamdaman. But hopefully, it's nothing serious also, ano?
Minsan, ano, talaga, tiis ganda eh, no?
Oo.
Para umabot sa next round. 39 is our score. Apat pa rin ang inahabol dito ng PNP, kanilang bola. Patrol woman, Tin Bangkola on deck to serve. They get a good shot here to score. At yun nga nangyari, courtesy of Ses.
Dito para sa side ng PNP, no? Bangkola's very vocal, no? Sa kanyang mga teammates. Just observing.
Gusto mo yung ganyan eh, yung may setter kang maingay. It's an ace!
It's a good leadership being shown.
Para sa akin yung setter kasi kung baga sa basketball, parang yan yung point guard mo eh.
Oo diba? They make the plays. Sabi nga natin sila yung pagod na pagod din. No? In the entire, you have your attackers who jump, pero yung setters nag-iisip, humahabol ng bola.
Mas bihira pa umiscore.
Oo, diba?
13-11. Dalawang abante ng Justice Servers rather. Yuboko, set up job here. Ganda naman noong palo ni Aleli. Lead is up to 3 again, 14-11. Yuboko, set up job. Gomez, binalik sa kabila. One more try for PNP. And Malu, she loves that cross court.
Also got a good height, no? Pagdating sa set. Just enough. Good timing as well.
Patrol woman Marilu Padilla delivering in the last sequence. Oh no, it's a service error. Sayang yung ganyan. You're trying to mount a rally and then it gets stopped by an error.
But, so far, this has been a good start for Judiciary na sinasabi nga natin in this game, because of the team standings and because of the turnout nung kanilang unang paghaharap, sila yung may disadvantage. But at this point, yung laban na pinapakita nila against PNP, it is quite impressive.
Nung muling unang pagtatagpo nila, di ba? Sa naikwento natin yan, nanaigdo ng PNP eh. So ngayon, you've been pointing that out. It has changed as we went deep into the elimination round. Teams have improved. Teams are peaking at the right time. Ronquillo. Buhay pa yung bola. Padilla opting to go down the line, but defense was there. Back to Ronquillo. Yung floor defense, ang dalawang koponan, magaling, mahusay.
Ooh! Right thing in mind, pero sumabit sa net. Yuboko apologizing for that.
Dana, go ahead.
Chiki, kanina nakakwentuhan ko si Kia Gomez ng PNP. Siya nga raw ay tubong Jensen at noong siya pa daw ay grade school, nagsimula daw ang kanyang sport at sa badminton. Meron nung nakita daw niya kung gaano ka-competitive ang volleyball ay sinubukan niya ito hanggang sa magtuloy-tuloy na. In fact, nung college pa nga lang daw ay nagkaharap na sila ng kanyang teammate na si Chris Etuca sa isang, dahil sabi niya rival schools pa daw sila. Dahil ngayon, patuloy pa rin sila na magka-teammate simula sa kanilang regional team. So now in PNP, let's see if they can still bring in the collegiate experience helping PNP win this match.
Para pag dumating yung time na diyan ka pwede. Pasok mo lang. Tapos lang na tayo. Ginatuloy lang. Sinimulan natin ng puro error eh. Mabagal. Mas madaling kunin ng center. Mas makakapwesto pati spike. Okay? Pag mababa, scoop tayo ng bola. Scoop tayo ganun para tumaas ang bola. Okay? Ingay pa tayo sa loob. Supportan ng bawat isa sa loob.
Usap more.
Talada.
Usap more. Okay naman. Kaya yan. Let's go. Justice! Service!
Yan, basta off-lead tawag.
Quick reminders from the coaching staff of Justice Server. Sayang kasi lamang sila dito ng isa. Not scary 1-point lead. And they did want to get this first set dahil mentally, psychologically, edge agad yun.
And yun nga, no, kahit ayaw nating balik-balikan yung kanilang meeting in the first round, di ba? Maganda yung ngayon makakabawi sila na hindi rin so much pressure on their end. I think that that is something that would be to their advantage kung ito kaya nilang itaas pa, no, kanilang lamang.
Tinasan na yan ng isa pa, 17-15 dahil mababa ang palo ni Ronquillo. Unlike the serve for the Justice Servers, he got Jam Angeles. Back to the white and purple. Tin going for that second ball. Ronquillo. Maganda pa rin talaga yung depensa dito ng judiciary.
Look at that. Ball is good.
One more try for PNP. And apart from that, I was about to say, Kat Dolorosa, number 17, maayos eh. Yung kanyang floor defense sa likod eh.
At yung importante, di ba? Talaga sinasabi nga natin, we always mention those who score a lot. Pero actually, yung mga dumidepensa, yung mga non-scoring skills, no, na hindi natin masyado mababanggit, equally important.
Kailangan mabigyan din sila ng ilaw dahil it starts from them. Now the lead is at 2 again for Judiciary, 18-16. Good setup job. And Shelo finishing that one with a hit.
Another loaded serve from Yuboko.
Babalik lang yan ni Gomez. Now chance for PNP to score. Gomez. And the rally continues. That ball is still up in the air. Salas doing an awesome job here. Tin, kanino pupunta? Oh! Anong nangyari doon, Ann?
Sabi, yun ang ano rin, ano, minsan nakala mo mali yung timing, mali yung set, pero wag kang titigil. You find a way. In that case, patalo na siya, nakita niya mataas.
I think na-throw off dun yung defense, ano? Dahil si Etukas hindi na tumalon eh.
Hindi na siya tumalon. She just stood, put the ball over.
Pwede ba natin tawaging fake jump yun?
Parang fake jump. Parang ganun yung nangyari.
Tapos pinalo na lang niya.
Nag-adjust. But again, still a point.
19-17. Dalawang abante ng Justice Servers. Pero kung ikaw yung PNP, ayaw mo ito, nakikipagpalitan ka lang. Kung ikaw ang Judiciary, this is fine. Nagawa ng paraan ni Tin. Yun nga lang. Nagawa din ng paraan.
Si Pesebre talaga, quick thinker. Alam niyang hindi pa nakaayos yung formation ng PNP.
Let's listen in to the red shirts.
Nakabahan niyo kasi yung palo niyo. Huwag mong galing doon sa ng bali. Tapos tinatapatan lang. Nakita mo yung palo sa'yo. Pinikitan ka na nga ng, ng receiver eh. Lagyan niyo din ng variation. Para mag-dive din sila. Tapos tinatapatan lang yung palo niyo eh. Dumidibes ang kalaban niyo. Hindi naman yan nakatayo lang na hindi gagalaw eh. Ha? Sugawan niyo ng paraan, Spiker. Tumataas naman. Set pa rin ha. Tara. Set.
Listen, yung recipe natin, di ba? Galaw, usap, enjoy. Let's get this! Justice!
I love that recipe. I'm getting hungry.
Oo nga eh.
Galaw,
Pero
usap, enjoy.
so far, it seems to be working for them. So, continuing that. Ito, pag, you know, if you are watching the game for the first time, hindi mo iisipin na yung pinakita nating results or yung score kanina, no? It was, that was the result. Iisipin mo parang talagang match na match. Pati yung team standing, di mo maiisip na ang laki nung gap, no, between these two teams.
Sa kabila naman, narinig natin sa PNP, the marching orders, simple. Lagyan nyo ng variation. Dumidepensa yung kalaban nyo, lagyan nyo ng ibang look. 2018, 2-point lead for Judiciary. Pagkakataon ng PNP, babayan, pero hindi, babalik lang muna nila yung bola. Yuboko, set up job. Back to the white and purple. Good adjustment by Tin. Pesebre scores again.
You know, the thing with Team Judiciary, alam nila kung nasaan yung butas or alanganin dun sa side ng PNP. But right now, PNP is unable to target, no, from their offense yung butas sa side ng depensa ng Team Judiciary.
21-18. And immediately getting it back was Ces Oliveros.
Sabi ni Oliveros, ito ba? Ito ba yung butas?
Let me take advantage.
Let me bring it there, sabi niya.
19 serving 21. Still anybody set here? That ball still alive. Pesebre. Babalik lang yan. Nilim Siako. A tap there by Angeles and it worked. Oh, no. Wait a minute. Kasi tumama sa net.
Oo, so... But, you know, you gotta give it for Judiciary. They are giving it a good fight.
20 serving 21. Hold on to your seats. Nag-iba ihip ng hangin. Isang na lang abante ng Judiciary. Can PNP tie? Oh, yun na nga nangyari. 21 all. Eto na. We mentioned this, iba kumakatok sa backdoor. Now it's the turn of the Justice Servers to talk things over.
Relax. Tay tayo, ha? focus muna tayo ulit sa receive. Pagkalo natin muna, kuha tayo ng magandang receive, bigay ka ng magandang bola. Nasa harap naman si Siyempre, kaya patay na. Huling-huling, yung pagtalong gano'n, diba? Sinisilipa ka na kagad dito. Pag angat mo gano'n, mabilis lang. Kasi mabilis lang. Mabilis. Gamitin mo yung block. Kanto-kanto ng block, kaya-kaya mo yung ulit! Ulitin natin, kuha ng first ball tayo, ha? First ball, takas ang bola, mabagal. Set. Pag pumalo si Siyempre, cover tayo. Okay? Kahit si Jaman pumalo, cover pa rin tayo. Okay? Let's go!
Let's go! Okay, kaya? Sige. Stop. Let's go. Justice! Service!
Guys, kapitan lang. Time lang kaya.
I think the timeout, apart from the marching orders, stop lang muna yung yung momentum ng PNP.
That's the most urgent at this point.
Sayang lamang ang judiciary for pretty much big chunk of the set. Sinong lalamang kaya dito? 21 all. Set number 1. Pesebre gives the lead back to the Justice servers.
You know, this is also a good rotation for judiciary dahil si Pesebre nasa harap, no? So they have the chance to really bring in and, score those points.
Not 100% because of that right forearm, but she's playing as if walang nararamdaman. Yuboko, ginawa ng paraan yan. Ronquillo. Model was a check ball.
Ronquillo happy with that. One itong si Ronquillo pag pumapalo, palaging may top spin, no? You see the ball really spinning. It means she flicks her wrist.
At mas mahirap yun, no? Mas mahirap bantayan
sa pababa yung kanyang bola. Not too much power as we see, pero medyo mabilis, yung galing sa kabila.
The service error of PNP will not help the cause. The lead goes back to Judiciary 23-22. Pagkakataon ng Judiciary, increase ang kanilang kalamangan sa dalawa. Ginawa nila.
Oh, look at them. So happy.
Angeles, kagat-labi na pinalo yung bola. Let's listen in to the huddle of PNP.
Tapos bawi. Side out lang. Reset na, wala na yun. Side out lang, side out. Bawi lang tayo sa, kapitan nyo lang.
Lambot lang na paano.
Ibig sana kayo. Eh ma'am, yung nakaraan, yung nag-service tayo. Malambot lang kayo, malambot lang. Pagod, galing rally, pinag-service ka. Tawid lang, yun yung nakaraan na drills natin pagkatapos ng training. Para na ipapasok nyo sa
Let's go!
Side out lang tayo, side out.
Let's go. Hey, PNP! Wala na. Ayun lang, napalagi. Service.
On the ball tayo lagi. Okay? Kapit tayo kapit tayo ng first ball natin kasi pag binalik nila sa atin ng bola, sigurado yung bola. Angat, babagal. Okay, para makatransition yung dalawa. Pag nag-transition, bigay ng magandang bola, pumalo, cover tayo ulit. Yun ang magagawin natin. Paulit-ulitin lang natin. Kailangan sigurado lang tayo sa first ball natin. Okay? Walang takot sa palo, ha?
Defense. Atake sila. Ready kayo. Let's go. Justice! Service!
Dalawang lang siya.
Wow, that was a nice huddle there by the Justice servers. Pumped up silang lahat, no?
Oh, and why not? I mean, this is such a good turnout para sa kanilang second set. Nothing really special, but I have to say, very efficient. No? Yung kanilang floor defense, pag nagbigay ng palo, it's not a fancy play, pero makita mo talagang susubukan nila, no matter who it is, na maibalik sa kabila.
Ronquillo. Good defense again from the back by the Judiciary. Once again for Ronquillo. PNP, they need to score here. Pesebre was there. Will they go back to Ronquillo? Hindi. Isa iba naman, and that was Etucas who delivered.
Good change up, no, from a series of sets para sa outside hitter, lilipat sa gitna to just break it.
23-24, will we go extended set with this one?
No room for errors.
Oh! Just as you finish your sentence, Unfortunately for Malu Padilla, that error will cost them the set. 25-23. Partner, pabor yan sa judiciary. We'll take a quick break, mga kapatid, but meantime, some highlights here. Was a close first set, but when the smoke cleared, the Justice defenders got this one 25-23. Back in a moment. One more try for PNP. Nagawa ng paraan din. Yun nga lang. Nagawa din ang paraan. Getting it back. Set number 1. Pesebre gives the lead back to the Justice. Let's talk about set number 1, 27 minutes. Yan ang kinailangan lang ng Justice servers to get that to 125-23.
It was definitely a good set, no, for the Justice servers dahil sabi nga natin, no, very efficient lang, no. Hindi man natin nakikita dito sa ating stats because pagdating sa opensa lamang pa rin ng kaunti ang PNP. Tapos may blocking, service aces pantay lang, but really yung depensa ng judiciary, no, na malaking tulong for them in that first set, and also yung mga naipamigay na puntos ng PNP, double digit for set number 1. They did start off that set really finding their rhythm and footing, and for some reason, siguro medyo malamig, mabagal yung kanilang pag-init. And ultimately, ito yung sinasabi natin kapag nakikita mo na medyo alangan yung kalaban mo, kailangan take advantage. Yun ang ginawa ng judiciary.
Mantakin mo yun, 12 errors from PNP, kalahati ng binigyan ng puntos ng judiciary nang galing sa kanilang pagkakamali. I'm sure they'd like to address that here in set number 2. But first blood has been drawn, or lamang na agad dito ang judiciary 1-0. At pupunta na tayo sa ating set number 2. Again, doon sa mga hindi ho pamilyar sa ating team standings, PNP entering this one with a 7-2 record, while Judiciary entering this one with a 3-6 record. And both teams coming from losses to one team. BFP ang tumalo sa kanila. Set number 2, here we go. At ang magsaserve dito sa Judiciary is Lerma Tubog. Good serve there. And immediately on the board is Ces Oliveros.
I like that quick start for PNP. Nice quick set right away.
Classic, and a bump set hit.
Ooh, what happened there? Miscommunication. Sino ba kukuha? May isa kasi tumatakbo papunta sa likod. Merong isa in position nakaharap sa net. But ultimately, hindi nagkausap.
Yuboco was telling Castillo, akin na yan. Next time. Pesebre goes to zone 1, and we're tied at 1, or rather 2-1, and still in favor of PNP.
Itong si Pesebre, such a really inspiring player. Ano? Kita mo, walang iniindang sakit. Just will continue to play on.
Soldier on lang siya, laban lang.
Laban lang.
Alam ni Lerma. Sabi niya, mali ho.
Akin yun. You see her so frustrated.
Yung basa ko. They were too deep inside no? I mean, not too deep, sorry, but enough space for that ball to find the landing spot. Angeles, cross court. They go to the back, and Boras apologizes. Masyadong malakas. Now it's a 3-point lead for PNP, 4-1.
Good serve.
Babalik lang yan ng judiciary. Pagkakataon ulit ng PNP to score. Mababa. Miss hit coming from Mila.
Kinulang. But we've seen how she has been steady, in the earlier set.
Kat Dolorosa serving now. Ito yung pinupuri natin na magaling na defender dito ng judiciary. Regalo. And Pesebre was defended at the net. It's gonna be a point for the PNP. Cinco dos. Attack mode. Mautak talaga.
Oh, imagine she was going up against 3 blockers in front of her. Alam niya, nagdikit-dikit na yung tatlo eh. Madala nga dito sa kaliwa ko.
Kasi dahil pag tatlo yan, konti na lang maiiwan dun sa likod.
It means that the left side, left and right would be open.
And to the kids watching out there, it's not all about power all the time.
Yes. Gotta play efficient, play smart.
Just like what these ladies are doing. 6-3, PNP up by 3. Lerma, yun! It's good. Ako, natutuwa ako sa distribution ni Yuboko. No? Very good.
And actually, that is something that is showing in the numbers at this point. Dahil ibig sabihin, maraming tao ang meron ng points in the score sheet. They don't just rely on Pesebre. In most of the games, Pesebre will always deliver the higher numbers. But I think there's consciousness right now also from Yuboko. Dahil yun nga, may konting pain sa arm si Pesebre, kailangan ng tulong.
If this game will go the distance, you want Pesebre to stay as fresh as she can be in case na abot ng 5th set to. 7-4, or rather 8-4, PNP up by 4. Meron tayong timeout. Let's listen into the huddle of the judiciary.
Nasa likod ko na nasa likod. Depensa tayo, okay? Ang gitna siya. Okay? Ilis mo lang ng konti. Di ba? Pwede mo siya paikutin ng konti. Doon lang sa likod. Pag-ikot, konting ikot para kakabol. Bubuka yun eh. Bubuka yun. Pagkakabing mo dito, mas maluwag dito. Kasi pag pumasok ka dito sa kanan na, papasok na lahat yan eh. Di ba? Papasok yun. Kakananan mo na. Okay? O, susubukan mo lang na ito. Nagsisingle block lang naman sa'yo. Sa kanya natin triple block. Okay? O. Ha? Let's go. Kapit tayo ng depensa ulit.
Lakas ng ating mo. Babawiin. Kapitan natin. Nakahabol lang tayo. Babawiin. Diba? Babawiin. Justice!
And I thought that was a chant. More of that babawiin. Babawiin will go first to Dana de Guzman.
Chikenan, during the huddle, isa lang ang pinaalala ng coaches ng PNP sa kanila at yon ay ang bawasan nila ang kanilang errors. Error sa receive, error sa palo at error sa serve. Ayan ang kailangan nilang tutukan during this set. But even with the loss on the first set, Tin Bangkola, their captain, is coming in the second set with a smile, knowing na kayang-kaya ng kanilang team na bumawi this second set. Ngayon tignan natin kung paano nila babawian ang judiciary. Balik sa inyo.
At yun nga yung operative word. Sa kabila, babawian. Ito naman sa kabila, babawiin. So,
pero yung pareho, bawi. Nandun babawian.
I love that chant right before that huddle ended. Babawiin. Here we go.
Pero si attorney, pagka nag-huddle sila talagang very vocal.
And you like that? Kung meron ka na dynamic teammate na ganyan. Animated. Yuboko set up job. Lerma goes back to Yuboko. Buhay pa!
Si Educas, hindi iniwanan ng bola.
So dito, And walang case of overreach o meron?
Wala. In that case, that went to the other side.
Kasi parang nakita ko, umaapila yung judiciary. So, it has been whistled. In any case, lamang ang PNP 11-4.
This is a totally different game we are seeing from PNP. Parang kinailangan nila yung first set para uminit.
Magising, ano? Another chance here for the Lady Patrollers. Bangkola, set up job. Boras. Rally continues. Ball is still up in the air. And it ends with that Boras hit.
It seemed like it was going out, no? Pero inabot from the back.
Na ikinatuwa ni Aleli.
Of course, it is a point. Much needed one.
Quick setup job there by Tin. Boras again. Tin goes to the back. Bangkola with a quick one, but it didn't work. Yung kanyang setup job for Chris. Would have been nice. We rarely see yung mga quick, ano?
Oh, dito. But itong si Bangkola, we've seen a few attempts at that. But again, it all depends kasi how nice your first ball is.
They've been going to Boras the past few plays. Tinan mo naman yun. Ang ganda ng ginawa ni Yuboko.
Nagkakagulo kayong lahat dyan. Ma-over nga agad.
That deserves another look.
Yes, indeed. Look at that.
Sabi ni Dada, let me lull you to sleep. 4-point lead pa rin for PNP. Make that 5. 12-7 is our score. Still in favor of the Lady Patrollers.
Ooh, so strong.
Service error naman ang sinukli ng red and white. Good first ball. Balik ulit sa PNP. One more time here for the Lady Patrollers. Oh, buhay pa. Ooh. Again, that net helping PNP.
But you know, I have to say, yung reflexes ng ating mga manlalaro ngayon, yung mga nasisikwat-sikwat na bola, magugulat ko, buhay pa yung bola, na-i-over pa.
So, mahirap yun, di ba? Dahil tumatama sa net minsan.
Nawawala yung ano,
nag-iiba yung takbo ng bola.
Again, the reflexes, we are seeing it, yung muscle memory din siguro nila.
It's an ace coming from Tin. The team captain of the PNP Lady Patrollers. The lead is at 6, 14-8. Boras will try again. Hahabulin. Inabot. Ooh, what a save. Oh, yun lang.
That
yun
was
lang.
Such good effort on the save, ano? Pero what a sad way to lose that point.
Naisalba na eh. Pero na-fake sila doon ni Dada.
Minsan yung mga pagtalo na ganyan, di ba?
Back to the red and white. And that zone 1 is open for Ces Oliveros.
Nga mo, ang saya nung pakiramdam dito. For us, it's a third game we are covering. Pero nakakatuwa kasi habang gumagalaw yung bola, naririnig mo yung mga tao. Ha? Sumisigaw, hawak nila ng So nakakabuhay din even for the players.
It's an ace. Now, latching on to what you said, that's why we're inviting our viewers. It's good to watch on your gadgets or wherever you are. Pero kung may chance kayo, napaka-komportable dito sa Paco Arena.
Yes, so cool inside the arena.
Halina, nanonood tayo. 69, 7-point lead for PNP. Lumalaki na lumalaki ito. Anong panagot dito ng judiciary? Angeles fell short with that one. As we turn you over to Dana de Guzman.
Chiki, kanina nakakwentuhan ko ang middle blocker ng PNP na si Chris Etucas. At akalain nyo ba na on her volleyball career, siya pala ay naging libero on her first playing year nung high school niya. At bukod sa paglalaro, dati pala ay siya, bago magpunta ng PNP, siya ay naging public teacher daw. At ngayon naman, pinaglalaro na siya ngayon sa PNP at masaya siya dahil ngayon, bukod sa pagbabalik niya sa volleyball, ay nakakatulong din siya sa kanilang community. Balik sa inyo.
Mabigat na yun ng pumapalo dun sa outside. Tapatan natin, bangga. Okay? Bagalan natin yung bola para, kanina, dalawang bola malapit sa net, nahihirapan si Dad. Okay? Di baling short ng konti, okay lang yun. Kaysa yung nakatutok ang bola sa net, mahihirapan tayo. Nasa likod ka. Hindi makakapag-over ng bola unless na nasa harap yan, kaya mag-pick ball. Okay? So doon tayo pumokus ulit. Mabigat yung service, kunin natin ang pwesto, kunin natin ang receive.
First ball tayo, first ball. Let's go. Justice!
Straight to the point, ang huddle ng judiciary. But going back to the report of Dana, nakakatawa na si Chris Etucas. Sabay, dati palang guro. No? Bago napunta dito sa PNP.
Pero alam mo, ang dami dun sa, well, the common thing that we hear, many of these players talaga are motivated. Bukod sa syempre, alam natin, mahal na mahal nila itong sport na volleyball. Yung part talaga nung nakakatulong and charity, I think, para sa marami sa kanila, nangingibabaw din yun.
Kasi hindi ba, I mean, may mga nangangailangan ng salapi, financial aid, pero ito, pwede ka makatulong through that, but using your skills and your talents as an athlete. Gandang platform talaga.
Oo.
Pesebre, hindi siya nabantayan doon. That was good and open. But still, a good lead here for PNP at 8 points. Bejek is in. Mendoza Villapanda also in. Angeles and Yuboko iniupo muna. Bangkola. Kanina pupunta. Good hit there by Mila. Yun yung binabanggit mo, no?
Oo.
Nagagawa ng paraan kahit nakadikit sa net.
But yun, nakita natin steady, tsaka yung focus kasi nila nandun.
So the lead has gone up to 9 for PNP, 19-10. Magpantay checks in. Serap ni Bangkola. Bejek. Tin has it. And that was low for Bejek.
Not in the best position.
Resio will be checking in for Dolorosa sa kupunan ng judiciary. Meantime, sa kabila naman, it says Oliveros on deck to serve. They're up by 10.
Good serve.
One more time for PNP. Bejek. And she delivers. Lead is down to 9.
Much needed point here. And again, kanina, no, yung naging maganda sa ginagalaw ng while they are down for Judiciary, yung kanilang depensa eh. Yung nakita natin in the first set. But also now we're seeing some errors.
Curious ako makita yung numero mamaya ng set number 2. Dahil all of a sudden, parang na-deflate, ano? Itong attack ng Judiciary.
Yes. They seem to be struggling. It doesn't help also na ito para sa PNP. They found their footing here in the second set.
Timeout muna ang kupunan ng PNP. They're up by 10 points. Let's listen in.
Bitaw mo! Ha? Bitaw mo nga! Kita yung skin. Pasok ulit pa rin sa mga. Ha?
Go!
Ay, nako.
Tiwala lang sa sarili ha. Tiwala lang sa sarili.
Alam mo naman role nila yun. Bawal yan. Dapat kasi na ba?
Go lang. Tuloy. Oy, buhay tayo, buhay. Benji! Sigla kayo dyan, no? Konti na lang yan, apat. Energy tayo, energy.
Now, we almost forgot to mention, meron pa nga pala silang magpantay, di ba? Na ipinasok one of the import staff sergeant, Hazel Magpantay.
Still a lot of talent.
Loaded din eh.
Oo, napaiikutin.
So let's see if they'll be able to close this one out. Talking about PNP, they're up by 10. Here in set number 2. And one of the Energizer bunnies of Judiciary, Inting, is checking in. That's attorney Kali Inting.
Serving Paginado.
21, serving 11. Tata Paginado, ready to serve. It's a service error.
Well, at this point, malaki pa naman yung kanilang lamang. But cannot relax pa rin. Yan ang palagi nating sinasabi. Let's see if they can get a good pass and maximize yung kanilang frontliners.
Ginawa ng paraan ni Malu. Back to the red and white. Not really the best sequence there for PNP. Paginado, set up job. Cross court, and that is money for Mila. (22-12). And Mila will be serving for the Lady Patrollers. Sebre sends it to the back. At the net. Good defense by Pesebre. Inting. At the net, joust. At the net again. One more try for Judiciary to score. They're gonna send it back. And I would hear giggles and laughter.
Eh, nakakatuwa rin minsan, kapag sinusubukan, may konting pagkakamali, hindi na ibigay ng maayos. Pero imbis na mag-away-away sila, bakit ganyan ang bigay mo, tinatawanan na?
Oo, narinig mo rin yun,
Yes, so sabi niya, bakit mo sinet sa akin dito? But, you still find the way. Walang dito, it's teamwork.
Saka dito lahat, kahit anong record mo, pag uwi mo, panalo ka.
Oo.
Dahil nakatulong ka.
Tama.
23-13. 10-point lead for PNP. On deck to serve is the Honorable Shelo Mendoza Villapando. Malu fails to score. Bumalik ang bola.
Oo.
Ay, hindi mo alam, no ba? May fatigue na ba? May pagod na ba on that right forearm of Pesebre?
Right now, actually, if we don't see the bandage, no, yung wrap sa kanyang arm, hindi mo iisipin na meron because you don't see her holding on to it or wala siyang iniinda.
Kala mo part of the accessory lang, di ba?
Oo eh. But we wouldn't really know.
And that'll be it here in set number 2 rather. 25-13 in favor of the PNP Lady Patrollers. Tabla na ho tayo sa ating set count. 1 apiece. Pagbalik po namin ni Ann Remulla Canda, it will be set number 3. And we're tied at 1, or rather, and immediately on the move. Attack mode.
Overlap, nagkakaapakan, magkakagulo sila, no? Makers that we have here in the UBL.
Talaga.
Oh, imagine. It means that the left side, or left and right.
Peseb. Back to the red and white. 1 hit. All right, we'll go to some of the numbers here in set number 2. That took only 24 minutes, Ann.
Yes, but also, no, if we look at the numbers, makikita natin hindi rin kataasan yung output, no, for both teams pagdating sa opensa. But where it spelled the difference for PNP in set number 2 ay ang kanilang blocking at ang kanilang serves, no. So nahirapan ng judiciary to set up and get their passing going.
So set number 3 na, about to start. As we've mentioned, nasungkit ng judiciary ang set number 1. A little bit flat in set number 2. So let's see if they'll be able to bounce back. Meantime, ang PNP naman, siya ang kanilang objective dito. Makakuha ng back-to-back sets para tuluyang maglagay ng pressure sa mga balikat ng justice servers. Service error ang una for PNP.
Pero mahirap, no, kung yun ang ating paumpisa. Yan ang naging problema rin nila kanina, yung mga giveaway points, yung paisa-isang error.
Wala kang kalaban-laban doon.
Oo, wala kang kalaban. It gives a window also, no, para dito sa ladies in white.
It goes out. We're tied at 1. Si Lim Siako, maganda yung basa doon. Hindi niya hinabol yun. Good serve. Coming from Kia.
We will be needing more of that. Kanina lang, no, nabanggit natin in the set number 2 stats, no, naging maganda yung kanilang record when it comes to service aces.
They'll try to bank on that again for sure. Joust sa net. One more time. Pesebre denied. Somebody touched the net.
Oh, but 4 touches was actually called.
Kasi hindi lumampas sa
hindi
tape
lumampas
na,
sa
di ba?
net. Yes. And again, our officials would have the best view of that, ano, mula dyan sa taas.
Kamay, ba't naman hindi? Meron kang national referee in Patrick Allen Castillo, first referee, and an international referee in Jeff Lopez as our second referee. Ito na ang red and white. One more try. Set up job. Uy, hita mo na eh. yung gusto ni Ses, hindi lang umabot sa kabila.
Nabitin.
(3-2). PNP up by 1 point. Good serve by Kat. And Malu was caught hitting that net.
Oh, couldn't keep her momentum. Tuloy-tuloy, diretso sa net.
Ayun, tumama ang katawan. Meantime, 3-all. Nagkapaan ang PNP. Pesebre seems to be okay with that bandaged arm of hers. She goes to the back. She had the right idea.
But it goes
Outside
out. Oh, luckily for PNP, dahil walang tao, sakali mang pumasok yun, walang tao.
Sabi ni Pesebre, walang taong bahay doon, no?
Oo.
4-3, PNP abante ng isa. Gawin nyo ng dalawa.
It was a really good serve from Oliveros. No? Nice floater.
(5-3).
Again, that same spot.
So tatlo na. Itong abante ng PNP, 6-3 as the Justice servers, they call for this timeout.
Ano mo naman si ano? Siya kayang dumipensa. Okay? Papapasukin natin to. Okay? Kunin mo na yung likod niya. Basta wag kang lalagpas dito sa kanya. Okay? Uulitin natin. Ganun na yung bola, ha? Sharp na yung bola. Lusob tayo. Pag service ng bola, lapit. Bangga. Ilabas nyo na yung kamay nyo ganun. Banggayin natin. Tumakas ang bola. Okay? Habang nandito si Bir sa harap, puntos tayo. Kailangan natin pumuntos. Okay? Kapit ng depensa.
Kaya. Tatlo lang, tatlo.
Ibayan yung dibdib nyo. Ibayan yung dibdib nyo. Kaya ba yan?
Malayo pa yan.
Tatlo lang yan.
Tulungan. Ha? Dibdib, tibay! Justice!
Let's go!
Bantay lang, bantay.
Talagang ano no? Yun yung battle cry. Pati bayan talaga ng dibdib. Walang bibigay. Especially for the judiciary with the 3-6 yung record nila ngayon.
Oo, tsaka dito sabi nga natin, the first set nakuha na ipanalo, pero ang maganda kasi doon nanguna sila. And
Yes.
they felt it in the second set. Pag sila yung naghahabol, mas may pressure, mas mahirap. So I think habang hindi pa malaki yung kalamangan din ng PNP, ngayon yung tamang pagkakataon para ilapit ang kanilang score.
Otherwise, pag nag-balloon yan, psychologically, di ba, mahihirapan. Yes, the skill level is there. Pero pag if you see a big deficit already and you're in the third set, mental mind games na yan eh.
Yes. That is so true, for I think any sport.
Yes. Babalik lang yan ang PNP. Nakakita ni Lerma, sabi nga sobra yung pagkakatulak ng bola.
Actually, you see na binabasa ng judiciary yung buta sa kabilang side. We've seen Pesebre do that. Itong si Lerma, nakita niya walang tao doon. Yun lang yung execution, sumusobra. Or hindi pumapasok sa loob ng court.
Napalakas lang yung tulak. Ronquillo. And Lerma was expecting it to go to the back.
Kaya yan yung sinasabi nila, never take your eyes off the ball.
Talagang tututukan mo no? Dana, anong tinutukan mo ngayon?
Chiki, entering to the third set, Coach Dino reminded the girls na kung gaano sila kasigla nung first set ay kailangan nilang ibalik ito ngayong third set na. Ngayon, si Mitch Alcancia ang naging setter nila for this set. At pinaalalahanan niya ang kanyang mga players at spikers na maging matapang kayo sa pagpalo. Mampas lang at hampas at nakasuporta ang team sa inyo. Ngayon, bago sila mag-hiwa-hiwalay during the third set, ay pinaalala ni ni Captain Tali Inting sa kanilang team na let's get back to our recipe. Usap, galaw, and enjoy. Ngayon, tingnan natin kung makakabawi ang judiciary. Balik sa inyo.
Narinig natin yan, ha? Thank you, Dana. Yung usap, galaw, enjoy na maliban sa nakakagutom na, na recipe, ay nakakaganang recipe pa yan.
Oo. Pero tama naman yun eh. Kasi in any team, yung communication, it really, really matters. At saka sinasabi natin, ano, kapag ang team, nakikita mo sa body language nila that they are enjoying, malaking bagay yan because they're not playing tense. But I guess easier said than done. If you are at a deficit, ang hirap din mag-enjoy, no?
Lalo na ngayon, no, na sinusubukan ng PNP lumayo dito sa set number 3. It's a service ace. Clearly, it's inside the line. 11-5. Still on deck is Mila Ronquillo para sa PNP. Another great serve there. Gandang first ball. Gomez. Yuboco sets it up. One more try for Judiciary. Ibinalik din nila. Gomez finds the mark at the back.
So far, keeping it simple but very efficient. Yan ang ginagawa ng PNP sa ngayon. And you see the spin of the ball, no? Talagang bababa siya sa end line. That one
No
is...
service ace done.
Oo, that one is out. She had a good run. Ronquillo had a good run there at the service line. Ganda ng kargadong serve.
Anytime you string a couple of points from that area, no, 2, 3, that's a big plus for your team. 12-6. And it goes out again for Tata.
Good intention, but the execution is a different discussion altogether. Pero sayang, ano, kung pumasok, wala rin talagang tao dun.
7 serving 12. Tata going to Tejada. So, parang tatlong sunod yata to na lumalabas sa likod yung bola ng PNP.
Oh, ball too long. Unfortunately, no, the calls are things that they cannot challenge here in our UVL. Kanina kasabi niya may check.
This time, sinigurado na yan ni Barbie. That's what they call her.
That's just what they need. Minsan, wala yan sa lakas ng palo. Really all about the placing.
Tejada with a good serve. Lamang sila ng 5. Regalo! Uy, but then again, tumama ng net.
And, sayang.
Yan yung mga panghihinayangan mo dahil una, wala ka ng bantay.
Oo. And kita mo, the ball landed eh, di ba? Kaya lang may violation.
13-9, Gomez. Balik sa PNP. They save it. That cross court of Pesebre goes out.
Too wide. Again, intention is there. Talagang hinahanap niya kung saan walang depensa.
Hindi malampasan ng Judiciary yung 4-point bubble eh.
Oo eh.
Bababa ng 4, angat ng 5 ulit.
But also says something about PNP, ano? Dahil talagang kinakapitan nila. They're trying to also maintain yung kanilang lead.
It's out.
Sinuwerte pa dahil hindi nahawakan. Yung that big smile, sabi niya kasi dumapa siya, buti na lang hindi niya na-touch.
Sabi ni Lim Siako, she tried, right?
Oo, she did try. Dahil kanina pa sila nababagsakan ng bola
sa likod. Oo. Bola ng PNP. Gomez. Again, they're trying to target that line at the back, but this one, it goes out again. But the lead is still 5 here for PNP, 15-10. Good serve there coming from Maleli. Mababa din ang palo ni Malu.
There's a bit of hesitation also dun sa kanyang approach, no? Parang hindi as fluid.
Judiciary hanging in there, only down by 4 points. Another good serve by Boras. And yes, they are down only by 3 points. And now for the PNP coaching staff to call for the ceasefire and see how they can address this.
Tara. One stop lang. Hirapan nyo, tapos pahabol nyo lang din.
Pili lang.
Receive, ha?
Isisip bro, ginatindugan ninyo.
Ma'am, di pwede na error kasama natin. Error na naman. Sundan na naman ang error. Medyo alaga din tayo sa bola. Malo, kung di mo i-spin, pwede mo naman i-over.
Tara.
Kaya nagdidilis tayo ng, di ba, ng spin ball. Yan yun, para dyan sa mga offset. Sige, photo lang tayo momentum ng ano. Doy, pag maganda set. Ang maganda receipt.
Isipin yung sarili niya. Likod, please lang, ang nyo lang.
Iwas error tayo.
Hindi. Focus lang. Huwag na kayo magpahabol.
Usap lang kayo ni Jam, kung sakaling ang bola ay talagang nandun sa iyong side, habol na kagad. Kaya kailangan babasahin niyo yung galaw ng spiker. Ha? O, go, okay. Kapit tayo, tatlo na lang yan. Let's go tayo ulit.
Justice!
I would hear that all the time from coaches. Yung pinaghirapan nyo, ganun-ganun lang, pinakawalan nyo na agad. Yun yung sinabi ng huddle sa PNP, ano?
Pero dito naman sa kabilang panig, 3 lang yan. So, very positive. Optimistic talaga. Na kaya pang habulin yan, hindi naman malaki yung kalamangan.
Kinakayod ng judiciary ito eh. They're down by 3 points. Good net defense there by PNP. And again, Yuboko, that's the second time she has done that.
And it works. But ito nga, no, for PNP, paliit ng paliit ang kanilang kalamangan over Team Judiciary.
And Bangkola comes back in to replace Paginado. Dalawa na lang inahabol dito ng Justice servers. Gandang first ball. Hindi. Anong nangyari doon, Nan?
Medyo cold off the bench pa itong si Baka. Look at this. Pa-over na rin kasi yung bola, but she is a backliner.
Don't look now. The lead of PNP is down to 1 point. Yuboko. Set up for Pesebre. Tabla tayo sa 15.
At ito yung kapit because sabi nga ni coach kanina, no, sa kanyang team, 3 lang yung lamang. And slowly but surely, they earned those points, tying them now with PNP.
15 all. Here in set number 3. They send it back. Balik ulit sa Judiciary. Angeles delivers!
Sabi nila, we don't have to do anything fancy. Pero kailangan lang namin maging efficient. Kailangan maibalik lang ng porsyento.
Dana, go ahead.
Chiki, kanina nakita natin si Coach Mitch Alcancia na nag-set para dito sa Judiciary. Ngayon, sinasabi niya na tuwing pumapasok siya sa loob ng court ay kailangan niyang ipakita ang tapang niya sa kanyang mga players. Sabi ko sa kanya, saan mo nakukuha, Coach, ang inyong tapang na to? No? So sinasabi niya na dahil pala ito sa kanyang mga estudyante or yung kanyang mga players na tinuturuan. Gusto niyang ipakita sa mga bata na kung kaya ni Coach ay kayang-kaya niyo rin yan. Ngayon, kikita natin maganda na ang ginagalaw ng Judiciary at unti-unti na silang humahabol at lumalamang dito sa game na ito. Balik sa inyo.
Mukhang salamat Dana, mukhang nag-work ka, no? Yung having an assistant coach and your teammate Michelle Alcancia, no? to help the cause of Judiciary. Sila na ang may kalamangan. Alam mo, partner, kung di ako nagkakamali, nanggaling tayo sa 15-9.
Tama.
Di ba?
Oo. But again, ito yung sinasabi natin talaga. No? Hindi naman kasi siya imposible. For Judiciary, hindi rin naging madali. It took a while. But, yung kapit talaga eh. Yung pag-iwas sa error. And you see the energy also coming from their side, no?
Crucial here for PNP. They need to score if they want to come back in this game. Pesebre. Wala. Isa na lang ang abante ng Judiciary. 17 serving 18. And on deck to serve is Kia Gomez. Good serve by Kia. Cross court ni Angeles, this time hindi umubra. Tabla tayo, 18. Wag mo muna kayong tatayo. Wag munang kukuha ng snacks. Stay with us, 18 all. Ronquillo. Balik sa PNP. 10. At yung joust sa net, it's Oliveros who won it.
Bangkola giving some instructions also no, sa kanyang mga teammates dun sa passing para siguro makapag-execute din sila ng kanilang mga play. They have 3 attackers right now for PNP and she probably wants to maximize that.
20-18, it's a 2-point lead now for the Lady Patrollers. At humingi ng timeout ang Judiciary para nang mahinto itong takbo ng PNP. Pakinggan natin.
Okay. Hinga muna, hinga malalim. Relax. Okay? 2 puntos ulit yan. Tayo pa rin nagre-receive. Okay? Sa magandang receive, sa magandang palo. Isang magandang set, bigyan mo sa kanya. Single blocking lang sa'yo. Hindi na nagti-triple block. Naka-single block lang. So, ang titignan mo na lang doon, yung kanang kamay o yung kaliwang kamay. Huwag kang ganong pipihit na malayo. Pag pumihit ka, outside eh. No, diretso lang, pero ito lang diin, ganun lang diin. Kasi ginaganon mo eh. Kaya lumalayo ng gusto. Pag angat ang bolang gano'n, nakaganon mo yung kamay eh. Diin mo na lang idiin. Okay? Tapos alalayan mo. Pag set, alalayan mo para bumalik ang bola, cover tayo. Okay? O, go.
Let's go. Bawian mo. Start with one stop.
Ganda rin instructions, ano? Huwag mo na ibaling.
Oo. Yan yung nakikita natin eh. Because she always has a target. And tama yung target niya. Pero tama si coach eh. Minsan humahaba. And yun yung na-observe natin in this match. So yung tapik lang, yung saktong placing.
So let's see ha. Importante dito for Judiciary. Isang magandang first ball muna. Can they do that?
Oh, sadly.
Not so. So ngayon, good first ball ng PNP. Pagkakataon ng Judiciary to score. One more try. Angeles. Oliveros will just send it over. Ronquillo. Ganon din. And yun nga yung instructions, di ba? Diretso lang.
Pero yun yung sinasabi ni coach eh, na kapag sobra yung paghawi ng bola, no, to one angle lumalabas.
Ni-remind niya, huwag mo nang ibaling kasi lumiliko.
Oh, what a serve.
21-18, 3-point lead for the PNP. Good first ball there. Check ball, it goes out. It started with that first ball by Limsiaco. They're up by 4. (22-18). Another
one. Grabe yung kanyang serve, ano? From our vantage point, from where we are at the moment, makikita mo yung pag-float ng bola. And, you know, for our viewers, kapag ka yung service ay floater, yan po yung mahirap basahin. Kasi yan yung talagang literally nagpo-float at bumabagsak bigla.
And Gomez was responsible for that. 23-18. It's now set point for PNP. They are up by 6. Kia Gomez still on the deck to serve for PNP. Oh, it's low.
Could have been the set point already for PNP, but they still are, leaving a bit of room para sa ating Team Judiciary here in set number 3.
Kat Dolorosa serving for Judiciary. Good first ball. And that's the effect of a good first ball. Ces Oliveros ends this one 25-19 in favor of PNP. But more than that, 25-19, 2 sets to 1. Ang lamang dito ng PNP. Ang katanungan, kaya ba itong salbahin ng Judiciary in set number 4 to force a 5th set? We'll find out because pagbalik po natin, set number 4 na po.
We are back looking at our statistics for set number 3 na nakuha ng Team PNP 25-19. Ito nga, no, dito pinag-uusapan natin kanina kung paano naging mas magandang performance ng Lady Patrollers pagdating sa kanilang opensa 9 as opposed to only 5 na na-produce ng Team Judiciary in set number 3. And ganun pa man, it would be the same in the different skill departments pagdating sa blocking and most especially pagdating sa service aces. And we did see that in set number 3 na talagang kargado yung mga serves ng PNP Lady Patrollers. It didn't help though siguro on the side of PNP na meron silang double-digit giveaway points for Team Judiciary. Kaya kahit papano, no, tumaas din ng points or naka-19 din ng Team Judiciary in set number 3. But overall, I think ang nakita rin natin dito while Team Judiciary lost set number 3, kahit papano no, nakita natin within that set yung kanilang kapit. They did try to keep it close with PNP. Pero sa bandang huli, yun nga, nagising din tong PNP and they come here also with a goal, no, to ensure that they keep their spot at the top of the team rankings.
Dahil nga 7-2 entering this game, ang Lady Patrollers. Tapos, papunta na tayo dun sa latter part, ng ating pangalawang round. So, every W, every game is crucial, lalo na for Judiciary. Now, set number 4 is about to start. Better third set yun, 25-19. But then again, sayang they could have gotten that. But PNP was quick to pounce on their miscues. But they scored the first point here. Talking about Judiciary, courtesy of Pesebre.
And, Pesebre doing exactly what Coach had told her earlier. No? Sa mga palo, hindi kailangan masyadong ilalabas o ililihis.
Put it straight to the heart of the defense. Sabi nga.
Oh, and Pesebre just clarifying with our officials. I think it has something to do with yung kanilang pag-change ng
substitution
sa libero, no? Yung pagpapalit ng players.
Ayun, yun. So, we could hear Head Coach Dino. Dahan-dahan. Mamadali kayo.
He's upset with that, but game will go on with Tubog at the service line.
Kasi minsan din yung mga ganyang stoppages na hindi inaasahan. it throws you off, no? Yung nawawalan ka ng rhythm din eh.
Ooh, not the best return.
Kung ikaw itong justice servers, nananalangin ka, makuha tong set 4.
Oo.
Karoon tayo ng winner take all set number 5.
Tama. Alam mo, pag umaabot ng set 5, minsan nagiging mahirap na talagang pinag-uusapan natin yung fatigue. That's when it comes in. Pero I think, no, at set number 4, nararamdaman na rin yan ng ating mga players eh, because we've had quite a number of long rallies as well. Yung sinasabi nga natin, some players catching their breath after that rally. So, we will see. Mukha namang laban at laban. Very good attitude, very good character from our athletes here.
Tama ka, no? The fatigue kicks in set number 4. The adrenaline settles in set number 5. Kasi, alam mo hanggang 15 lang yon. Good start here for Judiciary. Ganda ng serve. But, yun lang.
Momentum going towards the net. At nauna yung pag-touch before the ball landed. In some cases, kahit na mag-touch ng net, kung nauna nag-land yung bola.
Ayos lang eh.
Ayos lang yun eh.
4-1. Angeles. Not that time. Gomez will be denied. Pesebre makes it 5-1. Parang biglang nagising itong justice servers, ano?
Oo, at itong si Pesebre na pinag-uusapan natin kanina, she always, you know, comes out as one of the top scorers, but I guess today is a different story because of, yun nga, no, yung kanyang pamamaga dun sa arm. But still, delivering 13 points. The only player on the side of Team Judiciary na may double digit.
5-2. Tatlong inahabol ng Lady Patrollers kanilang bola. Then that won't help PNP. Kia Gomez with a mistake there. Lead goes up to 4 again for Judiciary. Kat De La Rosa on deck to serve. Pwesto-pwesto lang. Placing lang.
But puntos pa rin yan. At para sa Team PNP, ito ngayon sila yung humahabol ulit, no, sa umpisa.
Yuboko sets up Pesebre. One more try here. Almost got away with another one of those tricks. Sinubukan ang bully ni Jam. Now the lead has gone down to 2 for Judiciary. That lead is down to 1. Gotta give credit to Mila Ronquillo for that point.
Bit of a challenge para naman sa mga dumidepensa on the side of Judiciary.
You have to stop the bleeding if you're Judiciary. Again. Lamang sila kanina. Now that lead is being threatened now. Chance ball. Ito na. 10. Set up. It's out for Mila.
At itong si Lerma Tubol, laking pasasalamat na lumabas yung bola.
Minsan pag sinusundan mo, you're hoping, oh please, please, please. Sail out.
Kita mo yung reaction niya kanina, buti na lang eh.
Pesebre again. May pagod na kaya ito? Pwede, no?
Oo, I would think so. Ano? Dahil the only thing we didn't mention here, sabi natin Pesebre in double digits, 13 points, but at this point also, because siguro ang dami ring attempts, she's also lodged in 13 errors as well. So parang na-offset lang din yung puntos na nagawa niya for today.
Oh wow, ganun karami na rin pala, no?
But we are talking about 13 points in total for the entire match. 13 errors as well in total for the entire match.
Parang nag-cancel off lang.
Yes.
7-all. Lifting ba yun?
That is the call that has been called by our first referee.
Dana, anong balita mo dyan?
Chiki and kanina ay kahit nakuha ng PNP ang pagkapanalo nung third set ay hindi masyadong satisfied sa performance nila ang kanilang team captain na si Tin Bangkola. Sabi niya masyadong madami pang errors ang nabibigay nila nung third set. Kaya naman this time kailangan nilang bawasan ang kanilang mga errors at laruin nila kung paano sila naglaro nung second set. Ngayon tingnan natin if kaya na ba nilang i-close out ang game na ito in 4 sets. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you, Dana. You love that when your team captain is pressuring you. Everyone is held accountable.
As it should be because it is a team sport, a collective effort to palagi.
Kala ka namang isa lang, di ba?
Oo, tama.
Yuboko. Boras failed to score in that last attempt. Boras again. At nagawa ng paraan doon with Kia Gomez giving PNP a 2-point lead. Or rather a lead of 1 point. I stand corrected. 9-8. Serving now is Mila Ronquillo. It's out by about 2-3 feet. Tied at 9 here in set number 4. Good serve there by Dada. Babalik lang yan ang PNP. Chance for Judiciary to take the lead. Boras. One more try for the white and purple. Yuboko gets it to Lerma. Oh, it's still alive.
Good, it's good.
Was that a pancake?
See, ball is good. Yes, they were able to save it.
Let's see who'll get this point. Hard-earned rally here for both. They're requesting for a check ball. It won't be granted. It's PNP point. Na-save pa pala yun?
Oo, na-save pa. Yan yung sinasabi nila. Hindi pwede tumigil hanggat di rin pumipito yung referee.
10 serving 9. Bangkola with a good save of that ball. 10, set up job. Babalik lang ni Tin yan. Yuboko. Oh, that's the third time she has done that.
Great court sense from Yuboko. And kitang-kita natin, such a big open space right there in the middle. Hindi na nakareact yung depensa ng PNP.
I love how her eyes all of a sudden rolled to the side and ooh, I see you.
Oo, may butas sa gitna.
And then the Judiciary, they take the lead. 11-10. Courtesy of Lerma Tubog. May panagot ba dito? PNP, they're up by 2 now. 12-10. Lerma is doing the damage here. Now we got this huddle. Pakinggan natin.
Meron dito, meron dyan. Di man lang tayo. Itago nyo si Ma'am Vicente, ha? Libero. Pag-receive ka, ha? 3 man receive para makuha tayo. Okay? Effort. Ma'am, drop ball. Ha? Mahilig mag-drop ball yan yung setter. Okay? Wala tayo receive eh. Mas atake tayo. Ha?
Sige, tara. Sige, kakapasok na lang. Uy, parang ayaw natin manalo. Tara.
Dalawa lang yan, ha?
Hey, Gabi! Team!
Reset na.
Sa inyo pa 5 shot yan.
Mag-reset ako pag nagano.
Oh, that was
Kayo maumula sa bola. Okay? Oo. Trabaho tayo, ha? Tatrabaho yung depensa natin. Trabaho tayo sa harapan.
Hey, ready defense, ready defense. Tingin sa bola. Justice!
judiciary, trabaho, depensa, opensa. Sa kabila, I heard one statement that's so powerful. It's from PNP. Sinabi ng isang player na, ba't ganun? Parang ayaw natin manalo.
Yung mga players nakikita nila sa body language din kasi how you respond, how you react. Meanwhile, dito sa kabilang side, the ladies in white, really, ganadong-ganado.
Lamang sila ng dalawa. Talking about Justice servers. 12-10. Set number 4. Boras. Sa kabila, 10. Will set up Ses. Aleli sends it to the back. Oliveros again. Soft touch there by Pesebre. Kia. Now with Aleli.
Oh, naubos.
Kia. Naubos nga doon. Tama ka. Yun yung magandang description doon.
Bit frustrated. She looks a bit frustrated as well. But I have to say, I don't want to give credit to the defenders on the side of judiciary. Sinabi rin to ni Coach kanina, maganda yung depensa. Siguraduhin nyo na makaka-opensa kayo sa harap because they are doing a good job with floor defense.
Angat kay Boras. Oh! What I thought was a broken play already, naging ginto pa.
Pati si Boras sabi niya, akala ko. But it's a good thing she still got that in. Puntos pa.
14-10. They need a solid reply here from PNP, pero hindi. Etong judiciary, they are riding on this momentum that they have built.
Oo, pero alam mo, pinakatotoo dun sa mga napag-usapan din nga ngayon, no? Yung nananalo sa isang game, talagang kung sino yung mas may gusto. And, looking at the body language of PNP, hindi parang iisipin mo sila yung may 2 sets na lamang eh. Because right now, they seem to be so tentative in the movement. Siguro ang kailangan nila isang magandang puntos, isang magandang bawi that will get their confidence back.
Tama ka, no? Parang lamang sa set count ang judiciary, the way they're moving. Ses. And judiciary, they're diving for every possession, for every ball. Kia. Yuboka sets it up. Pesebre to the back. And they are diving. Sayang yung effort ni Sheena Castillo.
Oo, pero tinan mo, they may have lost that point. We are talking about Team Judiciary, pero naka-smile sila lahat. Because the effort they put in, talagang para buhayin yung bola.
Kumbaga matalo ka dahil magaling yung ginawa ng kabila.
Oo, tama. Tsaka yung effort nandun eh.
Oo, hindi yung dahil hindi mo hinabol. Smart move coming from Ses Oliveros.
Sabi niya, finally, kailangan natin tong point na ito.
Now, if you're judiciary, okay, lamang ka ng 3. Pero 2 sunod na dikit yun. Ito yung kailangan mong ingatan dito.
Definitely. Alam mo, ang sinasabi nga, and I was just about to say, dahil coming from that serve, it will root from a good pass. Pero yun na nga ang nangyari.
Mini run here by the PNP Lady Patrollers. Pakinggan natin ang huddle ng Justice servers.
Mahaba nga habulin niya. Kailangan sarado na natin yung short ball natin. Nasa harap ka, di ba? Sarado nyo na yung short ball. Okay? Alright. lalo na pag ganung matagal yung rally, siguraduhan ng bola ron. Okay, sigurado tayo. Kahit mag-miss ball yung, basta angat ang bola, sigurado tayo sa bola natin. Okay? Ulit. Ang ganda ng depensa, ha? Maganda yung dinidepensa natin. Doblehin lang natin yung trabaho sa loob. Okay? Sipag tayo, tapos usap. Pag maganda ang bola, ampas. Cover tayo. Okay? Nasa harap na. Patay tayo ng bola, naka 2 puntos na yan. Okay? Oh, go!
Again, let's start with one stop. Start with one stop and then another. Alright? Okay, you're doing great. Let's go, Justice! Service!
Sabi ni Coach, in spite of this rally by PNP, nagugustuhan niya yung depensa ng judiciary.
Pero alam mo, yan din yung ating binabanggit kanina eh, 'di ba? I think what really makes them survive and what allows them to score, yung fact lang na basta keep the ball alive. 'Di ba?
Huwag mo lang patayin yung bola.
Oo.
Tama. Ses. Yuboco will set up. Aleli yung pinuntahan. Sa kabila naman, 10 will go to Kia. Ganda floor defense ng both teams. Buhay pa ang bola. Dada. To Arnie. To Ses. At the net. Nagunahan. Nagunahan si Ses at si Caressa.
Too eager also at the net. Pero pag ganyan, usually, no, there should be one na maiiwan sa net.
Sigh of relief, no, for judiciary. Ang atulid ng 3 kalamangan nila. Could hear the bench of judiciary saying, taas, taas. Lerma doing an awesome job at the back.
Oh, look at that defense. And nakikita mo nakapwesto sila, no? They are in the right position. They are able to cover most of the areas at the back.
And anong nangyari doon? Lumampas ba?
Oh, may violation tayo ulit. Ngayon, in favor of judiciary. Alam mo, nagiging problema ng PNP yung kanilang momentum talaga eh. They're going towards the net. They're unable. Look at that. Ayan o, her foot crossing the line.
Di nakapreno. Okay, Dana, go ahead.
Chiki, one of the regular players of judiciary is Nicole Resho, who works as a system control analyst sa Supreme Court. Now, from digitalizing systems sa Supreme Court, hindi daw niya inakala na makakapaglaro siya ng volleyball dito. Ngayon, nung nalaman daw niya na mag-held ng tryout itong judiciary team, ay dali-dali daw niya itong pinuntahan at excited siyang makalaro. Now, we don't see much of her in the playing in the court, but we know that she is working much as hard as the team, trying to support, cheering, and supporting the team in the sidelines. Back to her.
Love it, love it. Thank you, Dana. Our hard-working public servants enjoying this opportunity to showcase their athletic talents. Meantime, 17-14, just a 3-point lead for judiciary. Chance for PNP to inch their way closer. Caressa. Balik sa kabila. And that was a strong hit from Mila Ronquillo.
Also going for a good angle down the line, no, yung kanyang pinuntahan this time around.
Don't look now, just a 2-point lead for judiciary. 15 serving 17. At the net. Oh!
Pesebre really making it look so simple. Suntok-suntok lang pero alam niya kung saan walang tao.
Quick look for the open gap. Dito yan eh, oh. Oh, alam niya eh. Alam niya eh.
Sabi niya lahat nandito sa left side ko, balik ko nga sa kanan.
Service error from Dolorosa. Lead is down to 2 again. 16 for PNP, 18 for judiciary. Set number 4. Good first ball. Dala sa likod. Uh-oh. It's a mistake on the end of judiciary.
Oh, now they cannot be careless. no, at this point. Kasi maganda yung kanilang lamang, maganda na yung kanilang pinapakita, but it's, you know, these errors na minsan nagiging sunod-sunod. As I was about to say, naging on cue.
That was a sleeper of a serve, and they're checking if Lerma is okay. Hit the deck a little bit hard there.
Tubog has been doing an excellent job there in the back line for Judiciary.
Kung ikaw yung Judiciary, hindi ka pwedeng maging ano dito, sobrang defensive to the point that you're playing not to lose, di ba?
Yes, yun nga yung sinasabi rin ni Coach Reminder, no? Ang ganda na ng ating depensa, pero kailangan nating pumuntos eh. Kailangan balansehin nung kanilang frontliners. Just like Yuboko. Sabi niya, hindi lang ako setter. Pwede rin akong pumalo.
At tinan mo yan yung apat na nakita kong ginawa ni Yuboko, it's all smarts.
Yes.
Open space, I'll put it there, sabay konting palakpak.
Oo.
Ganda naman ng sign. Go, go, Judiciary. 1918. The ladies in white and purple up by a point.
Buhay ang bola.
Another chance for PNP to tie. Dolorosa with a good first ball. One more time. At the net, Yuboko was there. Bangkola.
Oh!
Wow! Wow! You gotta love what Mila did going to the corner pocket. At mukhang nagkatamaan yata sila ni Lerma, no?
Seems that way, pero sabi ni Lerma, okay lang.
That was good. Mila checked on her immediately.
Alam mo yan yung mga bagay minsan hindi nakaka-capture sa camera, pero something you have to, we appreciate dito sa mga games na nakikita natin. Sportsmanship really. We've seen it also in earlier games pag may natatamaan, nahuhulog, chine-check din ng kanilang mga opponents.
That soft one worked. Off speed. And the lead goes back to the Justice servers. 20 against 19.
You see on the side of PNP, you see their setter and captain, si Bangkola, kinakausap niya, kinakalma niya yung mga teammates niya because they will need a good pass.
Yeah.
And hopefully score a point. And they do again.
Was that a rewind of what happened earlier?
Oh, parang ganun, pero parang mas malinis, mas komportable si Ronquillo with that set.
And Mila ties it at 20 apiece. Eto na, ito yung crunch time Winning moment for both sides here. Pero for Judiciary, they want to get this one to force a fifth set. Kia gives the lead to PNP.
Probably one of the cleanest and best hits we've seen from Gomez.
21-20. It's a service error. Tabla tayo sa 21. Now it's the turn of Dada Yuboko to serve for the Justice servers. Oh, what a serve by Dada. Pesebre sends it back. Kia again scores. Walang bibitaw. 22-21.
Dikit na dikit. We see that really both teams wanting to get this fourth set.
Tin, set up job for Kia. The hot hand, and they're up by 2.
You know, for PNP, the big factors, of course, the teamwork we see is there. Pero yung kanilang mga outside hitters, Ronquillo and Gomez, stepping up when they are needed the most.
Hindi naman ganun kabigatan yung server. Importante, nandun lang tayo sa tapat ng bola. Okay? Isang mabagal na receive. Sigurado lang, isang mabagal na bola. Okay? Magandang bigay. Okay? Sino nasa harap?
Dalawa po.
Dalawa kayo. Sige. Maganda, kumpiyansa sa palo. Diin ang bola. Basta mabilis ang bola. Kung kakalmot na ganun, basta mabilis. Huwag mo lang kakapitan. Basta mabilis na ganun ang bola. Okay? O, isang puntos lang yan. Kailangan na natin ng first ball dito.
Sige!
Kapitan nyo. Kapitan nyo.
Kayo pa yan.
Kapitan nyo. Tibay ng dibdib. Justice!
Tulong sa depensa.
Narinig ko yung term na kalmot ni coach. Ano parang?
Almut lang.
Huwag mo masyadong, kalmutin mo lang. But more than that, they really need this point here. Dahil pag hindi, mapupunta sa match point itong PNP. Eto na. Not the best of the first balls that they wanted. Babalik ang bola sa PNP. Opportunity to score. And there you go. Nakapuntos nga ang PNP. Match point na sila. 24-21.
It was a big challenge for PNP. Remember, we talked about their first meeting and it was far from what we have seen today. So talagang pinahirapan ng judiciary itong PNP in today's match.
Kita mo bumalag no? Pero hindi pa ito tapos. 24-22. Sabi ng judiciary, don't count us out.
Yes, hindi pa tapos.
And I was expecting this timeout from PNP, no? Para siguro pag-usapan ano ba ang point of attack. Let's listen in.
Receive na maganda. Last ball naman yung importante yung nasa likod na tatlo. Receive lang tayo. 3-man receive pa rin.
Last one ha.
Last one tayo. Side out.
Sino ba sir?
Go.
Si Tubog yung server ha. Ano lang yung service ha?
Taas lang yun.
Sali lang.
Just ball lang. Just ball, okay?
Sige may ha. Magbibig sa Tubog tayo ha. Ready lang.
Maganda yung subtrain nyo ha. Porsentuhan mo. Porsentuhan mo natin.
Yung boko.
Porsentuhan mo.
Okay, isa lang. Hatag lang ha. Hoy, one good receive ha.
One good receive. One good receive.
Game.
You heard it. One good receive, sabay sabi kay Tin, porsyentuhan mo na.
Okay, we attack, we score. Let's go, Justice!
Kapit, walang bibitaw. 24-22.
Oo, pero dito, kanina, alam din natin may awareness itong PNP. Si Tubog yung magsaserve. So they have to be aware. They need to get a good pass. He has been consistent right there at the service line. But again, ang kailangan ng PNP ay isang magandang panapos.
Eto na. Yun yung first ball na hinahanap nila. Bangkola sets it up. Kia says, let me go to that open space. Oh. And that's it. 25-22. Nakuha ng PNP ito pero in 4 sets, partner.
Yes, tama ka dyan. It is a much better game, no? Much better showing para sa ating mga kaibigan mula sa judiciary. Hindi man nila nauwi yung panalo. Again, ito yung pinag-uusapan natin. Really yung challenge na ibinigay nila sa PNP in today's match. And yun nga, nakita rin natin yung mga players no, na nag-step up in today's game. Nakatulong, nagbigay ng maraming puntos. Isa na dyan si Ronquillo, si Mila Ronquillo.